Can you use your mouse, click on images and give feedback? Would you like to get $10 for doing just what I just described? This is what I'm going to talk to you guys today. Clicking on images and get up to $10 by just choosing from different images, clicking the image you like, you personally like, giving some feedback on the image you chose and why you chose it, and getting paid out of it. So the site I'm going to talk about today is doing just that. It's going to pay you for clicking on images, choosing, giving your feedback. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, I would like to ask you to click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel. It would be a great honor for me to have you on my channel, guys. I learn a lot from you as well, so I would like to have your feedback. So go ahead and click the subscribe button following this video on the right side. And before we do anything else, if you like the content of this video, go ahead, click the thumbs up, and let's jump to the video, guys. So the website I'm going to talk to you today is called usabilityhub.com. You can find everything below this video in the description, so you can take everything from there. And what usabilityhub.com is looking for and what we are interested for, among others, is becoming a tester. And pretty much it's going to be a quick description. It's a remote user research platform that takes the guesswork out of design decisions, validating them with real users and getting their feedback. So you can see a lot of big companies are using Usability Hub in order to hire people like us, like testers, and get their feedback, like Amazon, Google, TaskRabbit, Airtable, Box, GoDaddy. All the major brands are here hiring this company in order to find testers like us and get some nice feedback out of it. So what is the fuss about, guys? This is a really easy thing. So you click on images and you go from there. So if you come to resources and you go to examples, you're gonna come to this page and you're gonna see the different tests and examples you can do. So you can see which theme do users prefer for a mobile game, how quickly can users find information on my website, and you scroll down and so on. Which t-shirt design with my users most appreciate? Let's click on this one just to see. So you will be presented with different shirts, and you choose which one you like best. So you take the test by clicking here just to see how easy it is. Hello, you have been invited to participate in a short test. Okay, start. Which of these two shirt options do you prefer? Click on image to zoom in. All right, let's see. Click to view images. So it's the same image, guys, on different colors. Right? You see that this one is a little bit more smiley, and you see from here, if you click on image, it will zoom in. If you click, it will zoom out. Scroll down a little bit. Choose this one or choose that one. I would like to choose this one. Why did you pick this one? Because the image of brain, I think it's brain, is smiling. Continue. Thank you. We appreciate your feedback, guys. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. And how are you getting paid out of it? So if you want to know, these plans is for the people, that companies that want to. If you go to pricing, it will bring you here, but this is for the people who actually want to hire. What we are interested to click the sign up, guys. If you click the sign up and scroll all the way down, you come here and it says sign up as a usability tester. And how much do I get paid per test? Usability Hub pays you from 0.10 cents up to $10. We have very good feedback out of it. So for each of these tests you make, you get up to 3 credits, and once you have enough on your PayPal account, you will be getting all the payment to your PayPal account. So this is it, guys. Very easy. It's available all around the world. The test is not gonna be available all the time for around the world, but once you create an account, you're able to get a notification, and they will send you a notification based on your country and your criteria, if there isn't all the time. So you can stay tuned. It's very easy, as you can see, to do it. So create an account, do your notification, do the tests that are available. Maybe you have available tests more frequent than you think. If not, you can always put the notification and take the test once the notifications are up. And that's it, guys. Very easy to follow. I know it's not gonna make you rich overnight. It's gonna bring you a few bucks in, but it's not gonna make you rich overnight. If you see if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money, the description link below has my #1 recommendation, guys, my best proved way on the last few months on how you can get money in your pocket, easy, everyday passive income. Even if you sleep, money comes in. So go ahead, click the description below, click the link, it's free to join. You change my life. It will change your life like it changed mine, guys. You'll thank me later on. So this is what I want to show you guys today. Very short, very easy way how you can make money by clicking images. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Start making some money, guys. Try it out. If it's not for you, see the next video, see the previous video. I'm showing you a lot of different ways on how you can make money every day. Start on something, start making some money, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.